All right, ready to add batter. Woo! Do they sell those with any other attachments?
Welcome back. We are here again on another Friday night. We've been busy lately with our personal lives, but
Yeah.
it has not stopped us. There's very little left of summer/fall and driving weather. I got the rest of these differential bushings, which are right down here. So I got the rest of these, and the other plan is to get all those bushings in for the diff, and we're going to try out the 326 rear diff ratio in that case.
Yep.
Because currently it's 408.
Which is crazy low right now with this trans.
Yeah. And the BMW, I looked it up actually.
Yeah.
It's a 308. And I think a stock 6-speed Supra is like a 316 or something like that.
So this is even a little bit shorter with that, so that's good.
Yeah, which I think is fine.
Yeah.
It's not going to be. And that's the closest I can get without buying a twin turbo 6-speed diff, which is like...
Those are cheap, aren't they?
Yeah, no, not going to work. So anyway, that's the plan.
Yeah.
We got some stuff here. We got the air hammer to try and bust out all these old bushings. We're back to the bushing game.
Yeah, that again.
Yeah, this thing has a lot of bushings. There's a lot of them still left too, which is the very unfortunate part.
Yeah, the hard ones.
Rear subframe. Okay.
Yeah, steering rack.
Steering rack. Oh man. Okay, we're not gonna get into that.
We're not gonna worry about it. We're worrying about the diff tonight.
Yeah, we're worrying about the diff. We're gonna see what it's like. I don't know.
Put some fresh bushings in there.
I'm gonna tell you what a 326 is like in an NA Supra. I'd imagine it's gonna be a long time to redline.
Yeah.
I feel like there's gonna be a dramatic change, but I also have no idea. So I mean, I think this is kind of a fun thing. If you watched the last video, we pulled them apart, inspected them. We're putting that super minty clean one in here.
Yeah, that beautiful thing. That was like brand new.
So we're gonna get to work here, putting that together. After digging around on the internet to figure out how these bushings go in, because while these bushings work well, I am not the greatest fan of the lack of instructions. I don't know why car things in general don't ever come with instructions. It's like a puzzle they just want you to waste your time with.
Yeah, I don't know. I think it's an ego thing with some of these guys.
I have a hard time believing we're the dumbest people that have ever done this.
So this isn't the first time that I've gotten something with minimal instructions, that's for sure.
And I mean, trust me, I understand this is not rocket science. There's 3 pieces to it.
Right.
But at the same time, like, the orientation of those 3 pieces matters.
Yeah.
And I mean, 2 of them make a whole lot of sense.
Yeah.
And one of them seems like it could go in a couple different places.
Yeah, wherever.
So, we use the internet as our tool. And we have determined that this washer here goes on the top side.
Yeah.
And then there's like a factory one that's like recessed. It's almost like a little cup kind of washer deal, which when we take out the other one, we're going to try and get out.
Yeah.
So now we're just going to lube these bad boys up and put them in. Yeah, my issue for this evening is that this flange on the end here is a different size. They made 2 different sizes. There's a small flange and a big flange. I have the small flange, which is my drive shaft adapter, which I'll pop a little pickup of. But yeah, my drive shaft adapter that converts it to the 1350 U-joint, that does not fit that flange. So we need to remove that. However, I do not have a deep socket that can remove the nut. And then we also don't have RTV since we cracked that open. These are pretty straightforward. Just slip them in.
Look at that.
Nice. Looks
So
great.
nice. This is nice though, putting in these new parts when everything just goes in so nice and smooth, and it's all fresh and brand new and clean.
That is great. By the way, we're going on with the spider eggs. The spider eggs are going with.
Yeah, they got to come with. That's
We're gonna,
that's a part of it now.
they're going for a burnout party. All right, cool.
I think that has to go a little bit further. I think that should be flush, but
Oh, wow. How about that? Are you talking to it?
I was asking it.
Oh, okay. Wow. Consent.
Yeah.
We believe in that here on this channel.
That's all I ever do is full 100%.
100%. Sam's a man, an honorable man.
That's right.
All
Looks good. But if you have plans on Sunday,
that means I have to get it done on Saturday.
yeah. So that means I have to help you on Saturday.
I mean, that'd be ideal, but it doesn't necessarily mean that. Although I am inept.
Well. Okay, axle should be free. All right, it should be free. Slowly bring it down. Ooh. Here we go. Yeah.
Ooh, doggy. That I fucking.
All right.
That was cool.
That wasn't too bad.
All right, so there are some differences, at least in the casing, especially for the cooling.
Yeah, the diff, the Supra diff actually looks like heavier duty.
Yeah, it's kind of interesting.
Got a lot more ribs, I think mostly for her pleasure, but also for cooling. And possibly for, I mean, that I would imagine that would help the strength, right?
We've had you think, the ribs?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, I guess. It's crazy, though. There you have it. An AGS 430 rear differential and an NA Mark IV Supra. This comparison may never have been made. You've seen it here.
Newsflash, folks. These diffs are basically the same. Well, we'll see. I'm sure we'll run into some stupid problem when we try to put it in.
Holy shit. What? Dude. That was insane.
Well, I only got it in one spot, though.
Yeah, I know, but I'm saying, like, you made it, like...
Well, I was trying over here. I was trying on these 4 edges.
Yeah.
Because I saw these, the slots where there was no rubber. This I almost got. That's really close.
I know.
That one I got all the way.
The one that you got
This
all the
was,
way, though.
well, that was the only one that I could really get straight.
Yeah.
The rest of these, I was at such an angle, and I didn't want to cut through the subframe.
Yeah.
So like this one, you can see I got this edge, but not the back edge. Because I was at an angle like this. Yeah.
Yeah, dude, you did some serious cutting there. That was good. I was very hopeless laying under there. I want you to know.
Yeah, I'm surprised that it came out that easy.
When I saw your face, I was like, "Oh boy, we're in for it." And mind you, I'd like everyone else in the audience, our loyal followers, to know that it's like, I don't know, probably 1 at this point.
Yeah, it's got to be.
So we're wrapping this up, but now all we have left is installing that bushing, and then the same thing with the flange, swapping that, RTV, fill with fluid, put back in.
Yeah.
That's pretty
Should be simple.
that's pretty decent.
Yeah.
Okay, I think we're gonna wrap that up for tonight.
Yeah.
And that was some great progress, honestly. It's late. We're going to bed, but thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you like this kind of stuff, and if you want to do this kind of stuff in your own garage. That's what we
You're
want.
not alone.
That's what we want you to do.
Mhm.
You know, we're dads. We're busy.
Yeah.
We got stuff going on. But if you got a Friday night, you can get after it. Thanks for watching.